Hey guys, and fresh off the plant video I just made, I'm gonna make a cooking video because I need to brown that meat and make me a delicious salad. Medium high. Drizzle of olive oil. I know you don't need it, but I like to treat my pans with love. See if I can do this one-handed. That's what she said. Oh yeah. Gotta get you one of these. They're great for chopping up meat. See that? So it breaks it up. It's just great for breaking it up into chunks that can get cooked. I don't use it for the whole cooking process, but once I get it down to small enough pieces, then I'll switch over to, a spatula or something. And it definitely helps in the initial stages. I usually do a better job, but once again, one-handed it out here. Pause. Once you get it down to like this level, and you knock all the extra meat out of the grooves and switch over to something else. My favorite. Do the lift and sort method. You can like poke it a lot. But, poke it. Why do you poke it? I don't know. It's like it breaks it up. Because you don't want big chunks. So you just poke it. Pause. When people say, oh my God, look at all that extra grease. Go dump it out. I used to be one of the people that dumped it out. But you're not supposed to dump it out. You're supposed to have patience and let this cook. And then the water in that stuff will evaporate, leaving behind all the delicious flavor. If you dump it out, your ground beef won't taste as delicious. Speaking of delicious, we got garlic, if you know, you know, onion powder, and Kinder's. Thing is big hole, so you gotta do it carefully. Yeah. Mix it up. Now, here comes the hard part. Having patience and letting it brown. Turn that down just a tad. Set timer 5 minutes. Come back and check. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. See that? That right there is what you want. That little brown pussy, the juices got absorbed. Whereas before it was a watery mess, now it's real nice. Gonna let it brown a little bit more while I prep the salad part. Green bowl. Romaine, and the second half of the chops kit. What I like to do on this part is use all of the included things that makes it a kit. Yesterday's romaine, today's salad kit remains. This gets a little dicey because I don't want to spill any. Alright. And we take the packet of good stuff out. In that packet is some dressing, some bacon bits, and some sunflower seeds. Can't eat the dressing because it has soy, but we have a workaround for that. Bottle of dressing from Chopped, C-H-O-P-T. Delicious. You can buy it when you go to get a salad. Who knew? You gotta watch your ground meat while you're doing this. It's like a proven fact. It'll cook faster while you're not looking at it. Nice and brown. About to turn it off. Give it like 1 more minute. Sunflower seeds. Bacon bits. Oh yeah. Turn off the meat because it is good. Don't forget the crispy onion and some of this delicious dressing. That's a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Mix it up a little bit. Spread all that dressing around. Remove the meat from the pan, and give ourselves a nice helping. You didn't think I was gonna put all that in this salad, did you? About 2 scoops should do it. Yeah. Maybe 1 more. Oh yeah. Final ingredient, crispy onion. Oh yeah. And that's it.